Good morning. My name is Syed Tareque. I am from class 10th and my topic for today is about the different types of soil and etc. So in this video we will discuss about what are different types of soil, importance of soil as a resource, formation of soil, information on different types of soil, what is soil erosion, what are different types of soil erosion, how to prevent soil erosion, and what is soil conservation. So let's start. So there are four to five different types of soil which are as follows. First is alluvial soil, second is black soil, third is red and yellow soil, fourth is laterite soil, and fifth is desert or arid soil. So we will discuss them in detail. First, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a fine-grained fertile soil deposited by a water flowing over floodplains or in riverbeds. Most alluvial soil are derived from the sediment deposited by the river Ganga in the Indo-Gangetic plains, ranging from Punjab in the west to the West Bengal and Assam in the east, as well as in the coastal areas of northern parts of Gujarat, Narmada, and Tapi valleys. The crops like wheat, rice, barley, maize, bajra, jawar, black gram, chickpeas, soybean, groundnut, jute, cotton, tobacco, pigeon pea, green pea, etc. are grown in alluvial soil. Alluvial soil are formed by the sediment brought down by the rivers. The rivers deposit very fine silt called alluvium in their plains during the course of their journey, starting from its source in the mountains and ending till its mouth. Now we will talk about the black soil. Black soil are made up of extremely fine clayed material. They are well known for their capacity to hold moisture. They are rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, potassium, lime. They develop deep cracks during hot weather, which helps in the proper aeration of the soil. Black soil is a type of soil that is black in color due to the excessive presence of humus in it. It is also known as cotton crop because it is good for the cultivation of cotton crop. Black soil forms when the lava is erupted from the volcano. These are mostly clay soils and form deep cracks during dry seasons. Now we will talk about red and yellow soil. Red soil is a type of soil that develops in a warm, temperate, moist climate under deciduous or mixed forest, having thin organic mineral layers overlying a yellowish brown leached layer resting on an alluvial red soil. This type of soil is formed under broad-leaved forests in humid subtropical region, chiefly on parent material from clay shale. It has an acid reaction and low humus content, and its yellow color is caused by the presence of ferric hydroxide. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, maize or corn, groundnut, ragi, and potato. These are all the fruits and vegetables which are grown in these types of soil. Now we will talk about the laterite soil. Laterite soil is both a soil and a rock type rich in protein and iron and aluminium, and it's commonly considered to have formed in hot and wet tropical areas. Nearly all laterite soil are of rusty red color because of high iron oxide content. They are developed by intensive and prolonged weathering of the underlying parent rock. They are found in the summits of the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, southern parts of Maharashtra, parts of Karnataka, and etc. Tea, coffee, rubber, coconut, etc. are grown in the laterite soil. Now we will talk about the last but not the least, desert or arid soil. Desert soil is mostly sandy soil, means 90 to 95% it is a sandy soil only, found in low rainfall region. It has low content of nitrogen and organic matter with very high calcium carbonate and phosphate, thus making it infertile. This soil is sustainable to wind erosion and supports a low density of population. Since desert soils are dry, they support very little vegetation. Desert soil forms in area where the demand for the water by the atmosphere, that is evaporation, plants, transpiration, is much greater than precipitation, means the rain. Desert cover 20 to 33% of the Earth's land surface and can be found in the tropics, at the poles, and in between. Watermelons, apples, green onion, cucumber, corn, hot peppers, melons, bell peppers, radish, carrot, cabbage, etc. These are all the vegetables and fruits which can be grown in this type of soil. Now we will talk about what is soil erosion. Soil erosion is the deposition of the topsoil in from one place to another. When see in this video that the topsoil topsoil is deposited to another place because of the deforestation. The cutting means the cutting of trees. It happened due to the cutting of trees. Now we will talk about what is types of soil erosion. So there are four types of soil erosion which are as follows. First is splash erosion, second is sheet erosion, third is reel erosion, and fourth is gully erosion. Splash erosion is the impact of the falling raindrops which creates a small crater in the soil and it ejects the soil particles. Here's the sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is the transport of loosened soil particles by overflow land. And third is reel erosion. Reel erosion occurs when the runoff water forms small channel as it concentrates down a slope. Fourth is the most severe one, which is gully erosion. Gully erosion occurs when runoff water accumulates and rapidly flows in narrow channels during or immediately after heavy rain or melting snow, removing soil to a considerable depth. Now, how can we prevent this soil erosion, or what are the methods of soil conservation? So there are as follows. First is contour plotting, second is terrace farming, third is windbreaks, fourth is crop rotation, fifth is soil conservation farming, sixth is dry farming, seventh is rain gardens, eighth is reestablish forest cover, ninth is prevent overgrazing, 10th is reforestation and afforestation. Thank you, ma'am.
DJ Tareque.